Here's a quick idea for the installations for DVD GBS installations. Just going to give you a very quick idea here. This is installed very perfect, get no problems at all. It's installed underneath and then being sealed all the way through. And I get here all the connections here for the GBS. Notice here, all of them together here. Need them. That's extra to me right now. And those are in the gloves compartments. And I get here the whole connections is all fine. Here's going to give you an idea about now if you want to switch to the radio, to the original radio. This is going to give you an idea to switch to the original radios, and you can use the car's radios if you want to use the car's radio. And also if you want to switch back into the whole systems here, just by touch, you can move anywhere you want. You can go to the music. I must go to very quick here. This is going to sitting here. The setting you can select from the setting wherever you want to go. You can go back if you need it. If you don't need it, back here. Let's go back. Okay. Then here, going to give you the apps. Any apps you could be connected through the Wi-Fi, and you can select any apps you want it. You can connect it directly. Can you go continued? That's the mirror here. It's the mirror links. You can select either it's Android or you can go into Apple, whatever you like it. I've connected with Apple, it's my Apple. And then here from the browser, you can select the browsers. The dashboard, I'm going to give you an idea about the dashboard. For example, let me say about if there's for door opened, we'll give you an idea about door already opened. Okay, if you go for the speed, going to give you the speeds. We connected directly with the car, no problems here. Can go back here, show you through the dashboard, can show you the phones. You can connect the phone here and select from the phones whatever you want to do the selections, and you can proceed from all your calls. You can call anything directly here without any problems, or you can even call directly from here wherever you do the selections. It's got no problem with it through the radios, the original radios, or through the system here. Go back here, give you an idea about the music. Get so many selection for the music. For example, here is connected directly with the Bluetooth, and I can go back again to show you. You can select from here videos. Let me show you the videos here, and select any one of the videos, and from here about you can be able to see the videos connected directly. Go back. That's just an example for the videos, and let's go back. Okay, here you can select any music you like to go with the musics. Get videos, music, pictures. Okay, Bluetooth. You can go back to the Bluetooth. Let's go back in the other side and go through the navigation. Okay, here's the navigation. Will give you an idea about now where's your locations and your directions. The only thing which I don't like it yet with the navigation here is the font. The font is very small. Maybe I'm going to talk to the company to make sure, but now I could be able to come with a better fonts or a bigger size. You can, yeah, you can play with it, the size you like it, but the font is still going to be the same size, if you notice here. And you can do the selections from there, whatever. You get the menu here, and then from there you can select wherever you want to go, your directions. You can select anything here, but the points here, but still the font, if you notice, is very small. I mean, that's all about it. It's very nice and very